someone took me to the hospital. So the car was absolutely crushed, and I was in hospital bed and I was absolutely unconscious. And doctors were discussing among themselves whether I'll survive or I will not survive. And they were classroom. When they hug you tightly, आज हम आलू की पराठ खिलाएंगे. So I think पता है कितनी सारी अलग अलग चीजें करी. मैं तो कभी टीचर ही नहीं बनना चाहती थी. Make a difference in someone's life.
But while also doing this, you must have faced some harsh realities of the society. वो क्या है जो अभी तक लोगों को नहीं पता है कि this is always happening in our society till date.
16. And when I started talking to them, most of them they started crying, but they could not speak because they are so pressurized from the family. They are so scared. And the worst thing is, mothers are also supporting, not the girls, but the person who is molesting them. तुम चुप रहो, चुप रहो, चुप रहो. Girls आकर बोलती हैं कि mother उल्टा उन्हें ही मारती है. But you have asked how the foundation works. See, we don't take aids from anyone. We are self-sufficient. Children, they pay nominal fees. And then we have skill development, which is happening, where parents, teachers, and students are involved. And, we make handmade things and we supply to different people, hotels and banquets. And whatever collection we receive, that goes into, education for the children and for the girls' education specifically.
Not many people survive a near death experience and come back dedicating her life to others. Today, our guest did the same. In 2004, she survived a life threatening car accident, and instead of falling apart, she decided to rebuild herself and 1,000 lives around her. Today on Chacha with Abhisha, we have the founder of Lotus Learning Foundation, Miss Poonam Mittal.
We welcome you, ma'am, on Chacha with Tavisha.
Hi.
Thank you so much for being here today with us. I know आप कितने busy रहते हो, still आपने time निकाला हमारे लिए. Thank you so much. So basically, in 2004, when you had gone through the accident and when you woke up, you realized कि आपको life ने second chance दिया है. What was that feeling?
So, Tavisha, it was very strange. I have heard a lot about Second Life and people are reviving and coming back. My mother always used to talk about it, she being a doctor, but I had never believed in all those things. So after this car accident, actually, when someone took me to the hospital, so the car was absolutely crushed, and I was in hospital bed and I was absolutely unconscious, and doctors were discussing among themselves whether I'll survive or I will not survive. And they were discussing, and actually, they were pumping my heart and all. I could see myself lying down there. And that time I didn't realize anything. There was no awareness, nothing कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा. उसके बाद I, next day I become conscious. And then पता चला कि 7, 8 bones are broken, ribs, shoulder, back. And doctor said that you have to wear all those support, rib support and back support. We cannot give you plaster because कोई भी bone यहाँ की plaster नहीं हो सकती. अब I was there at home and friends were coming, bringing flowers and all. So बहुत pain में थी, medicines थे, painkillers were there. But धीरे धीरे everybody has gone to work. Friends ने आना कम कर दिया. My children went back to the school. They were very young, 7 and 8 years old. Husband went back to work. Parents were coming, but very, very, hardly they had time to come and to spend time with me. तो बहुत मुश्किल था. एक हफ्ता तो निकल गया, फिर उसके बाद ऐसा लगा कि शायद वेजिटेबल ही बन जाऊँगी, क्या होगा? बिकॉज़ आई वाज़ 32 एट दैट टाइम. लगा कि क्या होगा, नहीं पता क्या होने वाला है. So suddenly, after I think 2 weeks, after 2 weeks, I realized that, either to lie down just like that, or I just have to, gather energy and I have to start doing everything again. But एक चीज तो श्योर थी, वो ये थी कि मैं बच कैसे गई, बिकॉज एवरीबडी वाज सेइंग इट्स अ सेकंड लाइफ. तो लगा था कि कुछ तो मिशन है. समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि मिशन होता क्या है. आई विल बी वेरी ट्रूथफुल टू यू. मैं कहूँ कि मुझे समझता मिशन क्या है क्या नहीं. आई एम अ प्रैक्टिसिंग बुद्धिस्ट, सो आई वाज डूइंग माय प्रेयर्स. And one day, while praying, I got so much of energy in me that I just went down to the park wearing all my supports and everything. And I took a round and I was in pain, was crying, came back and was crying. That time I was working in a school. So my family took me to the doctor and
Hmm.
doctor said, अगर इसको अपने अंदर से feel हो रहा है कि she can come and she can walk and she
Hmm.
can go back to work, तो let her do that.
Hmm.
सो कहा तो डॉक्टर ने कहा था हम 6 हफ्ते में डिसाइड करेंगे कि क्या करना है. But I was fourth week, I was up and about wearing all those support and went back to work. कार तो बिल्कुल क्रश हो चुकी थी एंड सबने कहा कि कार नहीं चलाना. बट
Hmm.
आई वाज सो डिटरमिन्ड, आई सेड कि नहीं, अब तो जो था ना वो एक जो था फेस, वो डेथ का होके वापस आ गई मैं. अब तो स्पोर्ट्स कार चलाऊंगी, अब उससे कब नहीं चलानी मैंने. एंड आई बिकेम फर्स्ट, आई वुड से स्पोर्ट्स कार ड्राइवर इन नोएडा. I used to drive my red Mustang and I
Hmm.
was very happy. But that's a secondary thing altogether. But that accident has changed my life forever. बिकॉज़ एक चीज़ समझ में आ गया कि अगर मैं बची हूँ, तो देयर मस्ट बी सम रीज़न बिहाइंड इट एंड आई हैव टू लिव फॉर अदर्स. बिकॉज़ ये लाइफ़ दोबारा नहीं मिलती. अगर दोबारा लाइफ़ मिली है, तो फिर अब अपने लिए नहीं है. अब इट इज़ फॉर समवन एल्स. दैट हैज़ चेंज्ड एवरीथिंग.
In general, what happens is कि लोग वेट करते हैं वो रॉक बॉटम हिट करने के लिए टू स्टार्ट लिविंग फॉर देमसेल्व्स, बट जब आपने हिट करा यू डिसाइडेड टू लिव फॉर अदर्स.
या
बट व्हाट वाज दैट डेडिकेशन कि आपने डिसाइड करा कि अब मैं दूसरों के लिए जीऊंगी या आई विल हेल्प अदर्स लिव देयर लाइफ.
बिकॉज़ क्या होता है, किसी के पास लिसनिंग ईयर नहीं है. I truly appreciate the work what you are doing. क्योंकि तुम सुन रही हो, तुम हमेशा बोलती हो, कहानियां होती हैं सबके पास, बहुत कुछ सुनाने को होता है. तो तविशा, किसी के पास सुनने के लिए एयर नहीं है. इतने लोग हैं. पता है, शाक्यमुनि बुद्धा's first sentence was, life is all about suffering, but everyone has a right to become happy. So when so much of suffering is there, who is compassionate enough, who is empathetic, sympathetic, who is giving you ear to listen, कि तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम और सफरिंग को सुने. लोगों के सुसाइड, लोगों के डिप्रेशन, टॉक थेरेपिस्ट क्या करते हैं?
Just
काउंसलिंग थोड़ी
listen.
करते हैं, सिर्फ सुनते ही तो है.
Yeah.
एंड आफ्टर दैट यू फील, ओ आई एम सो रिलीव्ड, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, व्हाट हैव यू डन टू मी.
Yeah.
So it is only that. And any kind of practice anyone is doing, any kind of spirituality, I would say,
Hmm.
they also do the same thing. I call it faith-based counseling, where you say you pray, you believe in yourself, and see क्या होता है. प्रॉब्लम सब वही रहती है, खाली पर्सपेक्टिव ही तो चेंज होता है. और अगर कोई तुम्हें लिसनिंग ईयर देता है तो पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज होता है.
Hmm.
तो जब वो उस एक्सीडेंट से सर्वाइव हुई और जो अकेलापन था, when I was lonely on my bed, no one was around me, so I was thinking, I am not the only one. इंडिया इज सच अ बिग कंट्री विद 100 करोड़ प्लस पॉपुलेशन. आज से 20 साल
Hmm.
पहले भी कौन है, अगर एक लाइफ में भी डिफरेंस क्रिएट कर सको बाय लिसनिंग टू his or hers problem
Hmm.
and just giving her a hope. हम
Yeah.
क्या करते हैं,
Hmm.
होप ही तो देते हैं. डोंट वरी, everything is going to be fine,
Fine.
everything is going to take its own course. But you get the courage that okay, when she can do it, everyone says, अरे ये इतने एक्सीडेंट के बाद जब सरवाइव होके
Hmm.
मैराथन रन कर रही हैं, या किक बॉक्सिंग कर रही हैं,
Hmm.
या पैराग्लाइडिंग कर रही है, तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. हर जना यही कहता है. तो
Hmm.
ये जो लाइफ के इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं, इट इज अ प्रोपेलिंग, इधर तो यू जस्ट गिव इट अप ऑन योर
Hmm.
लाइफ के बस चलो अब खत्म है लाइफ, कुछ नहीं है. या होती है एक दूसरी एनर्जी के, नो, आई हैव टू डू इट फॉर अदर्स. मुझे जीने ही दूसरों के लिए है. क्योंकि तविशा, मैं तो बार बार ये कहूंगी, मेरे लास्ट वर्ड्स होने चाहिए, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एट द टाइम ऑफ गोइंग अवे फ्रॉम दिस वर्ल्ड, इफ आई कैन से कि मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. कितने लोग खुश हो पाए मेरे से मिलने.
Hmm.
दैट
Agreed.
इज व्हाट.
You have worked in so many different fields and you have actually worn so many hats: teacher, school counselor, therapist, change maker, itna kuch. What is that one fire that keeps you driven always?
See that spark in the eyes of the children. पता है, जब वो जाओ ना डिस्कवर में, जो कि 3+ है, when
Hmm.
you go to their
Hmm.
classroom, when they hug you tightly, आज हम आलू की पराठे लाए हैं. So I think, पता है कितनी सारी अलग अलग चीजें करी. मैं तो कभी टीचर ही नहीं बनना चाहती थी. I always told my parents, and I was doing my MBA and law together. So I told my mother, मुझे तो टीचर बनना ही नहीं, दूर दूर तक मेरे को पता ही नहीं, मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना, jewelry designer, this, that, whatever, whatever. बट जब क्लास में गई और जब बच्चों से मिली, और वो इतनी होपफुल और इतनी इंक्विजिटिव आईज से देखते हैं तुम्हारी तरफ कि भाई क्या, व्हाट नेक्स्ट. सो आई थिंक दैट इज द थिंग आई वुड से which has really given me strength and courage to go back and to make a difference in someone's life.
But while also doing this, you must have faced some harsh realities of the society. वो क्या है जो अभी तक लोगों को नहीं पता है कि this is always happening in our society till date.
See, there are many, many things. First and foremost thing is respecting the dignity of life, which is not there, and starts from the house. As you know that 90%, 95% of the problems, the behavioral disorders which you can see in the children, it comes from the family. Parents themselves are not sensitized. Fathers, they don't know how to express their emotions. Women, the wives themselves are suffering because they don't know what to do. उन्हें खुद ही नहीं पता. एंड तविशा, तुमने हार्श रियलिटी के बारे में जो बात करी, इतनी मतलब इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू स्पीक दैट, बट बहुत ज्यादा ट्रबल्ड है गर्ल चाइल्ड, इवन बॉयज. There is no gender difference or gender bias between this.
Right.
Because if it is happening everywhere in all societies. People say educated में होता है, नहीं uneducated, इनके तो होता ही ऐसा है. ऐसा नहीं है, उनके खुद के घर में हो रहा है, उन्हें मालूम है. Every time they are pointing out it on someone else, but it is happening in their house. And actually, if I'll tell you the truth, who is suffering the most?
The children.
The children. They are scared. They cannot speak.
True. But you also think as we grow, आपका adult हो गए हो आप, but still your inner child is always silently crying because of the past trauma.
It's so true because once I got an opportunity to talk to the teens girl in the school only, and I started talking about molestation which is happening at home. And it was so difficult for me to talk about it. See, initially it was very difficult to talk to the girls, all girls, 14, 15, 16. And when I started talking to them, most of them they started crying, but they could not speak because they are so pressurized from the family. They are so scared. And to the worst thing is, mothers are also supporting, not the girls, but the person who is molesting them. तुम चुप रहो, चुप रहो, चुप रहो. गर्ल्स आकर बोलती हैं कि मदर उल्टा उन्हें ही मारती है कि आपने नहीं बोलना, आपने चुप रहना है. बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. मतलब आई वुड से कि अगर मैं एजुकेशन में नहीं होती या मैं इन बच्चों के साथ काम नहीं कर रही होती, तो हमेशा शायद मैं एक बबल में जी रही होती. बिकॉज आई वुड से आई वॉज द फॉर्चुनेट वन to be born into a family where parents are so educated. They have given so much of freedom. Being a second daughter, the eyebrows have been raised to my parents कि अब आपके दूसरी बेटी हो गई है, what will you do? आप adoption को दे दो, आप ये कर दो. My parents used to say, we don't have any problem. What problem do you have that you are asking कि आपको क्यों है आपको. तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस वो उनसे पूछते थे. तो मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि हम in our family I was educated, parents were educated. But what happens to the children and to the girls, those who are born into an uneducated family, where no one is there to listen to them?
True. So how does this foundation of yours works?
This is a very good question because, see, we started in 2015 and it was very difficult to even take 80G NGO because obviously it is non-profitable, foundation. And then it was a sudden, I would say good fortune. I would say I got an opportunity to go to a village which is based in Noida, and it is an urban village. And I have met one family. They are having a dairy. and I asked them that I want to start a school. But जब स्कूल शुरू किया तो लगा कि कम्युनिटी को इन्वॉल्व करना जरूरी है, तो उन्हीं की डेयरी में से उनकी डॉटर लॉ को पढ़ाना शुरू किया, who was till the age of 32, has not gone to a school beyond ninth. Then she did her 10th, 12th graduation. Now she's the headmistress of the school.
Oh.
Yeah, 2017 to now. But you have asked how the foundation works. See, we don't take aids from anyone. We are self-sufficient. Children, they pay nominal fees. And then we have skill development, which is happening, where parents, teachers, and students are involved. And, we make handmade things and we supply to different people, hotels and banquets. And whatever collection we receive, that goes into education for the children and for the girls education specifically.
Lovely.
So this is the way. And then foundation has worked for for growing more trees. We have sown almost 1,000 trees, and I'm working with dogs and an animal shelter.
Wow.
So, going there and working, it is not only giving them funding and all, going there, feeding them, providing them medicines, food, milk, many a times to the caretakers also. Because it happens that, they don't have enough funds. So forget about animals, the people, those who are working there. It is so
I
difficult for them.
agree. उन्हें तो ग्राउंड वर्क पे देखना पड़ता है what are the animals going through.
And it is not only dogs, it is cows,
Yeah.
it is, birds. And the worst part is the families, those who have pets, they just abandon them outside the animal shelter. So foundation is working with animal shelter also. And there is one, woman, those who are mentally little, unstable. One organization is there, so we are supporting them also. And then now and then we are having the awareness programs in the school. So the village women are part of that. Always they are part of that. So that way we are creating awareness, and foundation is totally working on its own. Yeah.
Wow. तो आपने खुद ही सेल्फ बिल्ड अब पूरा खुद ही चल रहा है.
हाँ, खुद ही किया. But up to I have a big team of 25 teachers and principal and headmistress. I do everything, but I do it from behind. I don't want to come in front. More students are going to come and they are waiting कि हम किसी तरह 9, 10 कर ले. Tai Chi, yoga, dramatics, music, dance. All the teachers, they come and they teach them. कितना भाई देखो, एक इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में ये सब होना इज अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी ऑल टुगेदर. इन लोगों के लिए तो व्हाट एन एक्सपोजर दिस. मैं तो तविशा, आई तो लिव ऑन दिस, आई ब्रीथ ऑन माय स्कूल 24/7. यू कैन टॉक अबाउट इट एंड आई वुड.
This conversation made you think, feel, or reflect, we did our job. Because at Culture with Abhisha, we don't just talk, we grow and we rise together. Thank you so much, ma'am, for
Thank
being
you so
here for
much.
us today.
God
And
bless you.
thank you.
Thank you so much.
you.
Thank you.
Do share, like, and subscribe.
Of course, yes.